So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a string into an integer and an integer into a string in JavaScript. So this video will be about converting strings and integers. So for example, right here, you'll notice that I have a variable and then I named it numbers and it's 3 plus 3. So when I save it, you know the results are 6. However, if I say plus here, and if I use a string and I say 6 up here, and if I save it, you'll notice that the results will be 66, and this is wrong. Alright, so you know it starts from the left to the right, so it says 3 plus 3, which is 6, and then it adds this string. So it tries to add the string to these numbers, and then what happens here is that it shows 66. So that's wrong. So you'll need to use something called Parse Integer, and you open two parentheses. So make sure that you put the string inside of the parentheses and save it. So now you will notice that it's 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and then it adds this string to it, which makes it 12. However, if I make this one 6.2 and if I save it, you'll notice that it's still 12. So if you want to float to appear, instead of parse int, you have to use parse float. So now you notice that it shows 12.2. So that's basically it. So now let's say that we want to convert an integer into a string. So to do that, what you do is that basically before the integer, so for example, before this integer, I can add an empty string and then add a plus here. So now if you save it, now you'll notice that it has turned them into a string. So both of them are strings. And mostly, you know, you will convert strings into integers, but you will rarely convert numbers into a string. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. So I'll see you all in the upcoming videos.